Step 1. Go to facebook.com. Open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Step 2. Access your settings. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Important: if you don't see Meta Account Center, you may have a Facebook page selected instead of your personal profile. To fix this, click your profile image again. Select See All Profiles. Choose your personal profile. Step 3. Open Meta Account Center. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click See More in Account Center. Step 4. Navigate to Deactivation. Now inside Account Center, go to Account Settings, click Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Now click on Deactivation or Deletion. Step 5. Choose your account and action. Select the Facebook profile you want to deactivate. You'll see two options: Deactivate Account, Temporary; Delete Account, Permanent. Make sure Deactivate Account is selected, then click Continue. You can reactivate your account anytime just by logging back in. Confirm deactivation. Click Continue. Enter your Facebook password. Click Continue again, and that's it. Your Facebook account is now temporarily deactivated. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fixmaster for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.